kid has again iron deficiency anemia. How do we know this? Because first of all, there is anemia because the hemoglobin is just 9.1. You usually diagnose it when it is less than 11 or less than 10 based on the demographic. If it is a woman, yeah, okay, Usmle people believe in very hefty, healthy women, so they'll consider less than 11 as anemia. But here you'll see all women are having a hemoglobin of 9 to 10. Anyway, so yes, 9.1 is an obvious anemia. It is just 65. Should around less than 75 or less than 70 would be microcytic. So the MCV less of 65 is your microcytic anemia. Uh, then they want you to know the total iron binding capacity. Now it's okay if you don't remember the normal range. I do not right now, okay? But you can just look at the figure here. It is 550, so it might be elevated. And then comes the serum iron. Serum iron should be around 50 or more than that. Right, so 45 serum iron is less, and then your serum lead is less than 5, so lead is pretty much normal. So all you need to know is that your total iron binding capacity has increased, your serum iron has decreased. Now, just like me, if you do not remember the normal ranges, there is always an option available during your exam in your uh, side panel or somewhere below, where you can check the normal ranges of all the biochemical biochemical values, right? So you'll be able to see it in a drop-down menu. Just search out TIBC and they'll give you the normal range, so you can figure it out. But here I have a basic idea that this is high, this is low. So it is an iron deficiency anemia. If it were not the case, I would have thought of something else. Okay, if the iron were normal, I would have gone to thalassemia minor and such. If the lead were too high, I would have gone to lead poisoning. But that has been ruled out. Now, this kid needs to be given iron supplementation for sure. That has been proved. Now, I want to know if I should be making any changes in his diet or not. For that, I'll be looking at this. He was breastfed for the first 3 months and then switched to cow's milk. Now, cow's milk is something you do not give uh, till 6 months of age. Till 6 months, you have to give exclusively mother's breast feed because cow's milk has lesser content and it can cause some sort of uh, decrease in your iron absorption from the stomach. It can lead to anemia in newborns or infants if you're giving it too soon or too much, more than 24 hours per day. Right? So if you're giving more than that, it can lead to iron deficiency anemia. So I have to modify his or her diet, and hence my answer would be a proper diet and iron supplementation, which is the case in almost all iron deficiency anemias. You give the nutrient and you also modify the nutrition of the patient. Okay.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.